Unity Under the Moon, a tale of shared dreams. In a lively land full of forests and mountains, there were animals of all kinds. Lions roared in the grasslands, birds chirped in the trees, and fish swam in the clear, sparkling rivers. One sunny day, the animals decided to have a big gathering. They wanted to share their stories and discover what made each of them special. As they sat together, a curious little rabbit named Ruby hopped forward and asked, "Why are we all so different?" The wise old elephant smiled and said, "Well, Ruby, we may look different, but deep down, we are all the same. We all love to play, eat tasty food, and feel the warmth of the sun on our backs." Ruby's eyes widened with interest. "But what about our differences? Some of us have fur, some feathers, and some scales." The wise old owl spoke up. "Ah, those differences make our world colourful and exciting. But remember, Ruby, our hearts beat the same rhythm, and we all share the same planet." Suddenly, a playful monkey named Milo swung down from the trees. "Let's have a contest," he suggested. "We'll see who can climb the tallest tree." The animals agreed, and soon they were all climbing and swinging from the branches. Some were faster, and some were better climbers. But they all laughed and cheered each other on. After the contest, they gathered to share stories of their adventures. The lion talked about the wide grassland. The fish shared tales of the deep blue sea. And the birds sang songs about the sky. Each story was different, yet filled with the same joy and excitement. As the day turned to night, the animals looked up at the starry sky. The wise old turtle spoke softly. "No matter where we come from or how we look, we share the same sky and breathe the same air. We are connected in this big, wonderful world." The animals felt a warm sense of unity. They realised that their differences made them unique, but their shared experiences brought them together. The night sky twinkled with a message of togetherness, and the animals wished each other a good night's sleep. And so, under the moon's gentle glow, the animals found cosy spots to rest. As they closed their eyes, they whispered, "Good night, my friend. May your dreams be as colourful as our world. And may you wake up to a new day filled with joy and understanding." And in the quiet night, the land embraced the animals in a peaceful slumber, where dreams danced under the moonlight, reminding them that, indeed, they were all the same in the most beautiful ways.